Here I have UMI Super, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen, then find and select the settings. Here you need to find and choose languages and input. Then from the following options, tap languages from the top of the screen. And right now you are using the English version of your device. But if you would like to change your language, let's choose add a language. Here you've got the list of all available languages that you can use. In my case, let me for example switch my language to Espanol, so to the Spanish version of the device. Tap Espanol. Let's choose your region, it could be España in my case. Now let's place Espanol into the first position, and as you may notice, the whole list of settings and also applications goes into Spanish. If you would like to go back to previous version, just find and select Ajustes. Then you need to scroll down to select the idiomas in traducción de texto. Tap idiomas again, and let's place English into the first position. And that's it. As you can see right now, you can use the English version of your device. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.